Wendy, open the door.
Oh, you again.
I'm here because Angelique knew what happened on our company.
Then your YouTube channel got no subscribers. Am I right?
What's the connection about my YouTube channel?
First, your YouTube channel has only about your piano videos. Now, there has a different contents added on your channel. Meanwhile, my YouTube channel has only full of drawings and I got much subscribers more than yours.
No way. No. It can't be right.
Haha, serves you right.
Earth. Grandma, where's Earth? He's visiting Wendy across our house. She's just our neighbor. There's so many people to visit near us. Why Wendy?
Angelique. Angelique.
Tell me, Earth, why did you visit Wendy?
Nothing, but we've talked about our YouTube channels. She said that I have no subscribers while Wendy have much subscribers.
That really serves you, right?
Oh no, you too.
Shut up, or I will call the police.
That's because I don't have any subscribers, right?
Yes, and you don't have brain to get famous.
Umiyak, gabi-gabi, walang tinig na naririnig, nakikipaglaban sa tikmaan na talunan, hanggang kailan talo na, pagod na. Akala ko ika'y sa akin pa pero hindi na pala. Wala na nga ba talaga? Naglalagala sa kadiliman, naliligaw, nalilito. Ano nga ba ako sa'yo? Sino nga ba ako sa'yo? Dito sa aking pagkakahimlay, sa dibdib ko ay parang may nakadagan. Walang kasing lungkot, walang kasing sakit.